Sorry, Poison Ivy. It's going to be a bad day for you, buddy. It's been said that gardeners have plenty of time. By people who love awful jokes, and who doesn't?
Quite possibly no one.
But I tell you what no one loves. Poison ivy. Blah. Let's talk about it with this unsuspecting stranger. Excuse me, stranger. Are you a gardener? Do you like poison ivy? Do you have poison ivy? Would you like a solution for poison ivy? Can you mime your way out of a box? That's pretty good. Thank you. Mix together 1/2 gallon white vinegar, 1/2 cup salt. Stir it up together in a pot, let it boil, let it cool. Add 4 drops of dishwashing soap. That's all you're gonna need. Smells like progress. All done? Great. Still here? Here you go. Your very own solution of pesticide-free poison ivy killer. We even put it in a squirt bottle. You're welcome. That's right, there's 2 of us. Simply aim and squirt. It's as easy as that. But be careful not to get other plants. Where did that even come from? It was terrifying. Well, back to the squirting. Let's just sit here and wait for the poison ivy to die. Maybe not. Here are some facts about poison ivy. Poison ivy can appear red in the spring, green in the summer, yellow, orange, or red in the fall. Tricky little devil. Poison ivy contains a sticky, long-lasting oil called urushiol. It can get all over your pets. It can get all over your clothes. It can get all over your skin. It can get all over your garden implements. If any of these things come in contact with poison ivy, wash immediately. Keep in mind that it's likely that you'll have to apply the solution more than one time to see results. So take our sage advice. Sorry, I just couldn't resist. Mix up your own solution of 1/2 gallon white vinegar, 1/2 cup salt. Boil in a pot, stir quite a bit, let cool, add 4 drops of dishwashing soap. And way to go, you. You're making the world a kinder, gentler, more eco-friendly place. Thanks for watching. Bye.